was a spell between you and me.
Bye.
What is good, you guys? Shawan, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, please do hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. So we're doing individual lashes, and what you're gonna need are your individual lashes, the lash glue, and your pair of tweezers, and just kukoka moya nyana ukugagagagagaga ikho kwalani. Okay, so this is how you're going to hold your eyelash with your tweezer. The curve should be facing you. I don't know if you can see, but the curve of the eyelash is facing me. Do you see? And then I'm going to squeeze my eyelash glue bottle just to dip the lash inside the glue, and then come closer. Okay, so you take your mirror and you put it under your chin and you open your eye and you stick on the lash. You don't stick it on, please don't make this mistake, because you're going to cry and you're going to suffer and you're not going to enjoy individual eyelashes. Do not make the mistake of sticking your lash on top of your lash line. You see that watery part on your eye? Don't stick on the lash there. Just stick on the lash on top of your natural eyelashes. That is what I've learned so far. So I'm going to repeat the steps again until you guys get it. If you don't get it, then feel free to rewind, watch again, pause, do, and see if you get it right. But yeah, you're just gonna do the same thing over and over again until, yeah. So here I was just showing you guys the process. I had like two individual eyelashes on one eye, and that's me applying the second one on the other eye. But yeah, this is the progress. This is the progress so far. At this point, I was done with both eyes. I just needed to do some touch-ups there and there, but basically I was done, and this is how I'm looking. Yeah, I think I love the set. It's more like a natural set, just basic girl. Yeah. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.